What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I got something real epic for you guys tonight. If you're curious to see what that was all about, so stick around, hit that like and subscribe, and let's get this car on the road and get over the dyno. One of the things I noticed with the 24-pound injectors is it definitely runs rich, hard throttle, as it probably would normally. But you can see my fuel pressure regulator is pretty jacked up, pretty high. So what I'm thinking is we're going to bring that back down to 39 or 40, and it'll probably lean the mixture out a little bit. But we got to make a hit. All I care about is if the 24s and the FMU work nice in wide open throttle, because anything else, binary editor, I can lean the fuel mixture out on a chip. So if the FMU can take care of business in boost, then maybe, just maybe, we might have a little working combo here without actually really spending a lot of money or whatever. I don't know. We're just messing around. All right, so we made it here over to TI Dyno once again. You know, we're just gonna take it one step at a time. It's all about the journey with our Foxbody. We got 24-pound injectors in. Car does run rich at idle, but we knew it was gonna do that, part throttle, whatever. But I think we can actually fix that with the chip. The main objective here is to get the 24-pound injectors to actually work well with the FMU and see if that actually fixes our wide open throttle problem. And then at that point, we could, you know, end up busting out the binary editor and doing a little bit of tuning. So I know you guys are excited to see what we're doing here. Again, it's about the journey. It's not about getting to the end, making a bunch of horsepower and just stick a Holly in it. It's not what we're doing here. We have the Holly Terminator X and we have the mass air stuff, as you guys seen in the last videos. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, and we're going to continue doing it. So stick around. Let's go get strapped down and start making some hits.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south, I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth.
Alright, so as I watch Kevin go ahead and strap my car down.
That's gonna cost me.
Okay, well, we're gonna go over the car real quick once again. It's a 1988 Ford Mustang, basic bolt-ons. This is my dad's car. You guys have heard it a number of times. We've done a journey from being a stock motor to a lightly modified basic bolt-on Foxbody. So actually what we've been doing is we've been trying to get the DA1 stock computer to actually work with the new turbo kit. Now in a stock foot motor configuration with the A-trim supercharger that we had on here, it worked out really well. But as soon as we put the turbo on it, not so much. So the last couple times we've been here, we've been extremely lean, like dangerously lean. Like, I don't know why my rods aren't laying on the floor. We've been a little bit lucky, and we've decided to continue to try to make some power. So what we're actually gonna get to do today, possibly be able to adjust the fuel pressure regulator, maybe be able to add some boost to it using my grid and speed boost controller, or even be able to set the timing a little bit because it's only set to 10 degrees with the spout out. But it's still got the spout in it, so it's sitting at probably around 26 total timing with the stock timing, whatever. So let's get it up here. We're gonna get things hooked up and stick around. We're gonna make some runs. All right, we're about to make our first hit and get ready to start tweaking. We'll see where we're at. Ready?
And then it went back down.
Got rich.
Got rich again, and he had 6 pounds of boost.
That's not bad.
Well, 6 pounds, that's not bad.
We're gonna make a second run, and the second run should be, well, we're gonna add 8 clicks to the dial-a-bomb. Should give me about a pound or pound and a half of boost. It should give us a little bit more boost. We'll see where we're at. But you guys seen it. I mean, it actually runs rich towards the end. Very consistent, you know, for the most part, for being an FMU. I'm pretty excited about it. So.
66. Yeah, but it was like 15. Hey, caramba. So I was pointing at it. I was like, stop.
What was the AFR?
So right there, you were good. 11.0 right there. 11,
all right.
And then it went to 15. And that's when I started pointing. 16.
Wow.
But you made 466 horsepower.
All right, so we're gonna make a third run this time with the boost dial bomb, correct? Might have been a line was pinched or something was wrong with the dial bomb, but we've corrected it. But you know what? We know it can go to 14 pounds and not blow up.
So we put this thing in there. It's called a...
So that's pretty good. That's not bad. Let's keep going. We're going right to 8.
So it made 362.
411, 362, 411. So we're gonna add 8 more clicks. Should put us at a rate of about 7.5-ish.
How much time is in there?
It's just at 10 with the spout in. So whatever stop timing is at 10 though. Yeah, but that AFR looked mid-12s,
yeah,
didn't it?
It was hitting 12s the whole time.
So we're out of injector again. All right, so this is the 4th run we got going on here, and we actually climbed up into almost the 400 range. But our AFR is starting to get a little bit sketch. Kevin will just run it down for you. You can see it's run over top of the other, so one past the other.
The light one's last one, the darker one's now.
We gained about a pound of boost from the last
about
run.
A pound of boost. Air fuel is high 11s, but up here it's...
I've seen it spike to 12,
yeah,
12.5.
12.8, so that's not good. You want...
Where we at peak AFR? We're still in the 12 range.
Well, peak AFR was 12.8, but then at...
Peak horsepower.
Peak horsepower, you're...
11.6.
Last time.
Oh, okay.
The lighter one, historic 11.6.
Okay, so we're what? So we lost a half a point in Stoich, or whatever you want to call it. But we made some good power.
Right there.
So what we could do is what we technically could do is add timing if we wanted to. But I don't know if we want to do that. We would come down. We'd come back to 8. We would come back to 8 clicks, so 6.5 pounds instead of being at 7 now, and add a little bit of timing.
Want to do that?
At 2 degrees.
Yeah. Then we can make the...
So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna set the distributor from 10 to 12 with the spout out, and we're going to see. We're gonna turn it back to 8 clicks where it was pretty good on the AFR, and we'll see what happens. I love blowing shit up. All right, so this is gonna be our last run. We added a degree and a half, and we kept the clicks on the dial bomb about the same. So we should see a little bit more boost, probably 6, 7, 8, or 6.8-ish. And it's definitely not, not dangerous at that level with the timing. So we're pretty confident with it. Here we go. 386, and it was happy with that. With the 386 on the, it was just getting into the dangerous level of AFR when we went.
Half pound of boost from last time, and 20 horsepower.
Probably could go up a little bit more in boost. Because where were we at? 7.5 at 16 clicks. Let's go one more run. One more run. Right at 7 pounds. I knew it.
Just blurped up a little bit, like it's been doing.
12.4, it comes up and then comes back.
Then it comes back down.
So it always, maybe that's just where the FMU is like trying to keep up.
Yeah.
So this is the, I'm going to show you the back-to-back runs. Or the first run is the lighter one, and then the last run. Can you go, can you put that over RPM or mile an hour? Remember how we checked the clutch?
Oh.
I thought it was up for time. That would be the green one right here.
Yeah.
Clutch looks good.
Yeah.
It makes good power for being what it is. So I figured on the way home I would just show you some normal driving AFR. It's not terrible for a speed density system that's untuned. It's definitely not optimal. It's not terrible. So this is what it would look like with a little bit more fuel pressure. Naturally on a stock motor you probably wouldn't want to have so much fuel pressure. It's not terrible drivability. It runs a little rich sometimes, but normal driving isn't too bad. All right, YouTube, that's all I got for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoy us going back and forth to the dyno, showing the combos and the differences. And this is a great information for those guys who are, you know, budget-minded, trying to get their cars off the jack stands, might have a little turbo on this, you know, stock motor or whatever. It just shows that you can boost the stock motor and not have to worry about tuning so much. Is it optimal? No, I keep telling you it's not. But does it work? Eh, for the most part it does. But all in all, I'm having a bunch of fun with it because I didn't get a chance to do this for the most part in the 90s. And I just skipped ahead to the end with my white car and my black car. So that's why we have what we have. We made 7 pounds of boost, made 386, 420 to the wheels. Pretty much had 11 across the board on the meter. And it wasn't dangerous timing. We had decent fuel in it. So I'm not surprised that spike didn't blow the motor. It wasn't really all pushing it all that much. So motor's capable of making 500 wheel all day. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the channel, make sure you guys check out that join button below. Check out that merch shelf we got going on. It's a channel membership. It helps support some of the mods and some of the things that we do here on the channel because all the stuff that we get goes towards the channel. But outside that, I just appreciate you watching. So stick around. We got some cool stuff coming up with the black car, the white car, and Dad's car. We're going to continue wrenching down on this. So stay tuned. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.